Most guys think losing fat means endless running or starving yourself. But what if I told you, you can burn fat faster without a single minute of traditional cardio? In this video, I'll show you a system that actually works for men who hate cardio, based on calisthenics, recovery, and the science of metabolism. Let's build the system that makes fat loss automatic. Most men are stuck doing cardio because it feels like progress. You sweat, you burn calories, your watch says you're crushing it, but your body doesn't care about any of that. The moment you step off that treadmill, your metabolism slows right back down. Your body's smart, it adapts. It learns to burn less because it thinks you're in survival mode. That's why the first few weeks of running feel amazing. You drop a few pounds, energy's up, and then, nothing. You plateau. Because traditional cardio trains your body to become efficient, not lean. Efficient means do the same work, burn fewer calories. It's great if you're training for endurance, but terrible if your goal is to look strong, athletic, and defined. Because when you push long, steady cardio without enough recovery or nutrition, your body starts breaking down muscle for energy. And once you lose muscle, your metabolism slows down. So you have to work even harder just to see the same results. That's the cardio trap. Quick question, how many hours a week do you usually spend doing cardio? Drop it in the comments. I want to see how much time men are really giving to traditional cardio. So instead of chasing exhaustion, we're going to rebuild your system from the inside out with a 3-phase blueprint that makes your metabolism do the work for you. So here's the fix, my 3-phase blueprint that helps you drop fat while feeling stronger than ever. Phase 1. Muscle activation. You don't lose fat by moving more, you lose fat by moving better. Focus on compound calisthenic moves that recruit maximum muscle, push-ups, body rows, squats, and planks. These activate dormant muscle groups and raise your resting metabolism 24/7, even while you sleep. Phase 2, metabolic circuits. Now we stack intensity. Short bursts of multi-muscle movements, squat, push-up, mountain climber. Rest 30 seconds and repeat for 5 rounds. Each circuit lasts under 10 minutes but skyrockets heart rate and testosterone without joint stress. Think of it as strength-based cardio. All muscle, zero treadmill. Phase 3, energy mastery. This is where fat loss becomes effortless. We stabilize hormones, cortisol down, insulin sensitivity up through recovery and nutrition. Morning sunlight, cold showers, high-protein meals, magnesium at night. When recovery improves, your body chooses to burn fat, not muscle. You don't need a strict diet. You need a framework that respects your metabolism. Here's the rule: protein first, carbs around training, fats for focus. Protein, 0.7 to 1 g per pound of body weight. Eggs, fish, lean meat, or protein powder. Carbs, oats, rice, fruit, especially after training, fats, avocado, olive oil, nuts. Stable intake through the day. Forget about cutting calories. Instead, stabilize blood sugar, because stable energy keeps your fat-burning mode on all day long. The science is simple. Muscle tissue is metabolically active. Every extra pound of muscle burns calories even while you rest. So when you train for strength and tension, not exhaustion, you turn your body into a fat-burning engine. That's why this method works long after your workout ends. So that's how you burn fat without ever stepping on a treadmill. Train smart, recover right, and your body does the rest. Now hit the next one, and let's build your strength phase next. Most guys think losing fat means endless running or starving yourself. But what if I told you, you can burn fat faster without a single minute of traditional cardio? In this video, I'll show you a system that actually works for men who hate cardio, based on calisthenics, recovery, and the science of metabolism. Let's build the system that makes fat loss automatic. Here's the harsh truth. Most men are stuck doing cardio because it feels productive. You sweat, your heart rate spikes, your watch says you're crushing it. But your body doesn't care about any of that. The moment you step off that treadmill, your metabolism slows right back down. And why? Because your body is smart. It adapts. It learns to burn fewer calories because it thinks you're in survival mode. That's why the first few weeks of running feel amazing. You drop a few pounds, energy's up, confidence is high, and then, nothing. You plateau, you keep pushing harder, but the scale barely moves and frustration sets in. Traditional cardio trains your body to become efficient, not lean. Efficient means do the same work, burn fewer calories. Great if you're training for endurance, terrible if your goal is to look strong, athletic, and defined. Here's another brutal fact. Long, steady cardio without proper recovery or nutrition starts breaking down muscle for energy. And once you lose muscle, your metabolism slows even more, so you have to work harder just to see the same results. This is what I call the cardio trap. Quick question, how many hours a week do you spend doing cardio? Drop it in the comments. I want to see how much time men are really giving to the treadmill. Instead of chasing exhaustion, we're going to rebuild your system from the inside out with a blueprint that makes your metabolism do the work for you. No treadmill, no endless running, no starving yourself. Just science-backed methods that work. You don't lose fat by moving more. You lose fat by moving better. Most men think cardio equal to fat loss, but it's actually muscle activation that ignites your metabolism. Think of your muscles as engines. The bigger and more engaged they are, the more fuel your body burns, even while you sleep. Focus on compound calisthenic movements that recruit maximum muscle, push-ups, body rows, squats, and planks. Push-ups do more than just hit your chest. They engage your shoulders, triceps, and core. Body rows hit your back, biceps, and stabilizers. Squats target your legs, the largest muscle group in your body, raising your metabolism like nothing else. Planks strengthen your core, improve posture, protect your joints, and boost daily calorie burn. The secret is not doing endless reps. It's about quality tension, full range of motion, and controlled movements. This activates dormant muscle fibers and raises your resting metabolism 24/7. You'll literally burn calories while binge watching your favorite show. Once your muscles are activated, it's time to stack intensity with short bursts of multi-muscle movements designed to spike your heart rate and testosterone without stressing your joints. Think of it as strength-based, cardio, all muscle, zero treadmill. Here's an example. Squat, push-up, mount-up. In climber, rest 30 seconds, and repeat for 5 rounds. Each circuit lasts under 10 minutes, but don't underestimate it. Your muscles will be screaming, your heart will race, and your body will continue burning calories long after the workout ends. Multi-muscle moves demand more energy from your body, which forces it to burn fat instead of muscle. Unlike long-distance running, where efficiency reduces calorie burn over time, these circuits constantly challenge your metabolism and prevent plateaus. Now, even the best workouts won't work if your hormones are out of balance or your recovery is poor. To make fat loss effortless, we stabilize cortisol, boost insulin sensitivity, and improve overall recovery. Morning sunlight exposure resets your circadian rhythm, improves energy, and helps cortisol balance. Cold showers activate brown fat, increase circulation, and sharpen alertness. High-protein meals prevent muscle breakdown, improve satiety, and stabilize blood sugar. Magnesium at night enhances sleep quality, supporting muscle recovery and hormone regulation. Nutrition doesn't have to be complicated. Think protein first, carbs around training, fats for focus. Protein should be 0.7 to 1 gram per pound of body weight. Eggs, fish, lean meat, or protein powder. Carbs like oats, rice, and fruit should be consumed around your workouts to fuel recovery. Fats such as avocado, olive oil, and nuts should be stable throughout the day. Forget about calorie counting. Instead, focus on stabilizing blood sugar because steady energy keeps your fat-burning mode active all day long. Muscle tissue is metabolically active. Every extra pound of muscle burns calories even while you rest. When you train for strength and tension, not exhaustion, you turn your body into a fat-burning engine. That's why this method works long after your workout ends. The best part? No treadmill required. No endless miles, no wasting hours. Just smart movement, strategic intensity, and energy mastery. The takeaway is simple. Activate muscles, don't just move them. Use circuits to spike metabolism without joint stress. Master recovery and nutrition to stabilize hormones and fat burning. Train smart, recover right, and your body does the rest. Stop wasting time with cardio that makes you tired but doesn't transform your body. Start building a metabolism that works for you. Stronger, leaner, and more athletic than ever. Next up, we'll dive into the strength phase, how to build muscle strategically to burn more fat while feeling unstoppable. Don't miss it. By focusing on muscle engagement, efficient movement, and recovery-based fat loss, you bypass the treadmill trap entirely. Men who implement this approach report feeling more energetic, less stressed, and more confident in their bodies because the transformation comes from inside out, not from punishing long cardio sessions. Think about it. Your metabolism works for you, not against you. When you push less, recover more, and strategically engage your muscles, your body begins to function like a well-oiled machine. Eve, rye meal, every movement, every moment of rest becomes part of the fat-burning process. You're no longer chasing calories. Instead, your body naturally burns fat while maintaining strength, agility, and endurance. Imagine waking up feeling energized, not depleted from yesterday's treadmill session, looking in the mirror and noticing tighter arms, firmer legs, and a stronger core. This isn't just theory. This is how metabolism actually works. Traditional cardio trains your body to survive. This system trains your body to thrive. And the beauty of it? You can adapt it to any schedule. Even if you only have 20 minutes, you can complete a circuit that gives you more fat-burning results than an hour of steady-state cardio. Consistency, quality, and recovery trump sheer time spent. This is the future of fat loss for men who want real results without hating their lives.